Here in the Maas360 console, we can see a device. Is an iPhone 5 that I have that I register into the system. The username that I put in is QRadar, and we can see I define a policy that says you need to have several applications. One of them is the IBM Watson Trend application, just for the sake of the example. And I don't have that installed on my phone, so my phone is regarded as out of compliance per that policy. But Maas360 is a cloud service. How do I make that notification about compliance get to QRadar? All we have to do is in log sources define this log source for Maas360. And this is the type of data that you need to put. You need to be careful, make sure that you put the right information, like the URL, the username, the actual password, a secret key or a passcode, Apple ID, billing information. So you fill all this information, and this is a parameter. The last one here is the recurrence. How often do you want QRadar to pull log information from Maas360? In this case, we put 15 minutes. The only other thing that we have to do was actually to put a certificate in /opt/QRadar conf trusted certificate, as we do with other components. And this certificate was is either provided to you, or you can actually, when you go to the actual Maas360 site, you can actually export the certificate from it. And that's really all you need to do. Once you've done that, you'll get notification, and you can have all the other mechanisms that you get standard in QRadar. So I created a search that I call looking for my phone in the last 30 minutes. And so you see that just looking at the log source, Maas360, the one that you just saw me define before. And here it is. We got a notification coming from Maas360 that tells me about that device not being compliant. And you have, the user ID for that phone, and you even have a unique identifier, which is a Maas360 device ID. This is yet one more example of how QRadar is capable of getting logs from services that exist in the cloud.